Last thing we're gonna talk about is where the money resides. You gotta spend money to make money, period. There is no getting around that fact. I spent $50,000 to build my business. I didn't do that all at once, and that money went towards my certifications. It went towards building my website, my marketing, gas, tolls, and travel expenses for me to travel back and forth to sites to teach yoga. That money also helped me pay for a PR professional, public relations professional, a marketing strategist, and contributing contractors. So I kind of touched on this a little bit in the second video. I started my business after being laid off. So I did not have funds coming in from my main gig to help funnel into my business. So that was a little bit difficult not having that capital. So as I was creating the foundation for my business, I was also working with studios and gyms as an employee of those locations. So part of the $50K that I spent as well. It came from other yoga jobs that I was doing. But then in the 3 years, I was able to generate money from client revenue. And for me, that looked like getting corporate contracts. So it's been really difficult for me to work one-on-one with individuals or to start my own group classes, building up the clientele in order to be able to have people patronize those group classes. But because of my background in corporate America and the network that I've had, I was able to get corporate contracts. The last bit of money that I've had coming into my business has been all from grants. I've gotten all of my grants during the Pandora's box. There's been a lot of money that's being funneled into small businesses, Black-owned businesses, women-owned businesses, and businesses located in hub zones. So that's historically underdeveloped zones. And my business is based in Newark, New Jersey. That is a historically underdeveloped zone. So there is a lot of money coming into my city for businesses to be able to not only sustain themselves, but in order to grow. If you enjoyed this series and you want more content like this, then please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Be well, everyone.